Okay, time to take a look at the NIDAGE articulating borescope. Oh, that's cool. So it comes with a nice case. And there we are. So this is one thing I come to like. This is not a ridiculously long borescope. It's just long enough to get the work done, but it's not going to be a tangled mess whenever I need to go put the thing away. That's cool. Something that you don't normally get with a borescope is an articulating screen as well. But the real selling point for this, the camera itself articulates, and quite a bit as well. Now where that can really come in handy is, well, pretty much any time you want to use a borescope. If you need to get it around a corner or even just a little bit, or you just want to like look a little bit to the side, the only way to do that is you have to bend the whole thing and then just try and try again until you get it the way that you want it. With this, you can just stab the thing in and then do all the work afterwards. So this is the only type of borescope I want to ever use. Nice tiny camera on there, and it looks like it has a ring light around it. On the side, we've got an SD card, and that comes with a 32 gigabyte card and a USB-C charging port. And it looks like right away, as soon as you turn it on, you can start using it. And you can see that ring light on the camera. So we're going to adjust the brightness of that light, and we can turn it completely off. We can take a picture. Oh, that's cool. So we actually have a hold function with this. If we just want to quickly pause what we're doing, but we don't want to take a picture, we got that. Oh, nice. So we actually have a rotate function on there as well. So if you put this in and it's upside down, we can just swap that. And we have zoom. So if we can't push this forward anymore, but we still want to see further in, we got that as an option as well. So menu, looks like we can see our photos, see our videos, we can see the resolution. So by default, it is in 1920 by 1080. Language, screen brightness. Cool. So if we're in a dark environment, we can adjust that to accommodate. Format the card, reset system. It'll tell us how much storage we got left on that card. Version, and then that's it. So nice and simple. But the coolest thing about this, if I put this in the case, when I get to a corner, I can literally bend it around the corner and see what's on the other side. That is just such a cool feature. And having the ability to just set this thing in and easily put it away. That's just not something you get with those super long borescopes. I just like they put this padding right here to protect the screen. That was a good idea. So we got our instruction manual, and we got our charging cables, USB-A to USB-C. So if I step this in here, that's cool. So now we can see what's going on inside that room. Check that out. And having that articulation on there, like you can just see so much more. That just makes it so much easier. Instead of having to pull the thing out, bend it, try it again. Like you just do everything with it in there. Check that out. I would never have been able to do that with a regular borescope. There's just too many turns on there. I would never have been able to see that without taking that panel off. And since I started using articulating borescopes, I never want to go back to anything else. Like this just makes it so much easier. So I'm very happy with that.